I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Volvo C30 spoiler full guide. Start by opening the trunk and removing interior trim panels to access spoiler bolts and fasteners, then disconnect any wiring for brake lights before unbolting. Keep fasteners organized on a magnetic tray and inspect foam seals underneath the spoiler for adhesive spots. If adhesive remains, use a plastic scraper and gentle heat to avoid damaging paint or trim pieces. To remove fasteners, start with the interior trim removed and use a ratchet to loosen all nuts evenly to prevent stress on the trunk lid. Support the spoiler with one hand or a padded helper while removing the final bolts to avoid sudden drops. Save each fastener in a labeled bag and note their positions, since some bolts may differ in length or thread pattern from others. In this video, I will explain how to remove Volvo C30 spoiler full guide. Quick recommendation: use durable leak-proof containers to keep screws and small parts secure during disassembly. They save time and trips to the floor. If you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the spoiler is bonded, warm the adhesive gently with a heat gun set to low and test a corner before proceeding across the length. Work slowly with a plastic scraper to lift the bond, keeping the tool flat to minimize paint lift. After removal, clean the trunk edge with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth, and check for paint chips or dents that need repair before fitting a new spoiler or reinstalling the old one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.